Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about the numerous benefits of consuming olive oil. Olive oil is a delicious and versatile ingredient that has been used for centuries in the Mediterranean diet, and it's gaining popularity worldwide for its health benefits. First and foremost, olive oil is a great source of healthy fats. In contrast to other oils such as butter and vegetable oil, olive oil contains a high percentage of monounsaturated fats, which are known to lower bad cholesterol levels and help reduce the risk of heart disease. Additionally, olive oil is a great source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. This makes olive oil an excellent addition to your diet if you want to reduce your risk of chronic diseases, such as cancer and heart disease. Another benefit of olive oil is its high levels of antioxidants. These antioxidants help protect your body from damage caused by free radicals, which can cause chronic inflammation and contribute to the aging process. Consuming olive oil can help reduce inflammation in your body, which can lead to improved overall health and well-being. Olive oil is also rich in minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and sodium, which can help maintain proper fluid balance and support overall health. Olive oil is also a great source of energy and can help keep you full for longer periods of time. This makes it an excellent addition to your diet if you're looking to maintain a healthy weight or support your fitness goals. Plus, the natural flavor of olive oil makes it a delicious and satisfying addition to any meal. In conclusion, consuming olive oil has numerous benefits for your health, from its high levels of healthy fats and antioxidants to its energy-boosting properties and delicious taste. By incorporating olive oil into your diet, you can support your overall well-being and enjoy a delicious, nutrient-dense food source.